and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about my February 2023 earnings for YouTube, and it has been a very disappointing month for me. In fact, my most disappointing month from last 2-3 years, really. This is the most disappointing month, and I'll discuss exactly why. First of all, when we go back to January, I had 14,500 views, almost $21. So let's go to February, February 2023, and as you can see, my friends, I have got 12.1 thousand views and 24 subscribers. Subscribers have grown somehow. I don't know why, but they have grown, and I have made only $18.04. The problem is not the money, my friends. As you can see, I have been creating lots and focusing on lots and lots of shorts because of the YouTube Shorts monetization update in February 1st, 2023. The problem is that these shorts, even if they get views, they are not making any money, to be honest with you. If I go to the revenue section, you will see that my shorts, 14-15 shorts, made only $0.04, and they amassed around about 7,000 plus views. So this means that focus, if you are wanting to make money on YouTube, maybe ignore shorts altogether and focus on long form content. And this is what I'm trying to do at this moment of time. I'll be focusing on long form content from now on, because even though I might not get that many views, but the views that I am getting will at least be giving me some lump sum money, to be honest with you. As you can see, the long form videos gave me $17.83 from ad revenue and 17 cents from YouTube Premium. And as you can see, the how to get free Bitcoin money got me $2.75. I got lucky over there. How to view Google Discovery, 1.74. Secret Samsung code, 1.27. How to increase March speed in State of Survival, $1.04. So my friends, these are my February 2023 earnings for YouTube. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification for future updates. All my social media links are in the tap link in the description box. Also, my friends, you will find my ebook over there for YouTube. I created an ebook and published on Amazon KDP, so check that one out as well. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off. Take care.